Welcome to Financial Education Club, Module 2, Step Number 2. In Module 1, you learned what is business credit, and you should have picked out a name for your business. And went over there to Secretary of State in your state to find out if that business name was taken or not. If it wasn't, and you're going to use that, now you're in Module 2, and we need to get a virtual office address. A virtual office address provides communication and addresses services for a fee without providing a dedicated office space. So you get a business address, but you're not having an office space there. You got a business address, looks legit, it is legit, but you just don't have office space at that location. Vendors will check to see if you have a business address. To find virtual offices, you can Google it, and a good one to use is Regus. But you can Google it and pick any one that you want. A good one a lot of people use is Regus right here. Regus.com, Regus.com. Plans and pricing are different for each of them. You can get something $35 to $50 a month. But this is something that you have to have. I mean, you can build business credit with a home address, but once you get in the commercial cards, they're not going to give you credit unless they see that you have a business or office space. So a virtual address is very essential to building business credit. This is something that vendors will look for. So get a virtual office. This should be completed before you move on to step number 3. And this is going to cost anywhere from, I've seen them from $35 on up to $50. You might find some that are cheaper. But get you a virtual office with a business address. Very, very crucial that you have this step completed before applying for any credit whatsoever. Okay, once this is done, I'll see you on step number 3.